Good morning. So I get this question a lot and I wanted to nip it in the bud before people start really asking about it. This is how to take this shape and adjust it so that you just see the outline of that shape. For example, in this case, I would go into my pointer tool over here. I would click on the fill and stroke button over here. You see down at the bottom corner. Fill and stroke, all I have to do is click on this. And it'll actually pull up a little dialog on this side of the screen where I can remove the fill by hitting this X or add fill by hitting flat color. Now there are things like gradient and other choices you can make. However, in this case, we're just going to remove the fill. And under stroke paint, this will also allow us to maintain this black edge or circle here. I could remove it or I can add it. And by the same token, I can go to stroke style and actually change the width of that line. Does that change the width of the vector? No. Does it mean that when you cut this out that you're going to get this sort of ring effect? Absolutely not. All this coloring does is allow you to have a visual reference for the vectors. It'll also show you when or if your vectors are disconnected. Now, when it's all filled in, you can't always tell because vectors can overlap. But in this case, when you have just done the stroke paint, it will specifically show you where your lines may be disconnected or segmented out, which would potentially ruin a cut. So save yourself the trouble. Go to fill and stroke, remove the fill, stroke the outside edge of that vector, and you should be good to go. There you go.